Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate the special book in Fallout 4. First, ensure you have access to a settlement with building capabilities and some basic crafting materials. You will need at least one special book you wish to duplicate. Also, ensure you have at least one unused container, such as a wooden crate. Having a clear, flat surface in your settlement will greatly help with placement. Begin by placing a special book on the ground, making sure it is not directly against a wall. Next, select an unused container, like a sturdy metal box, from your workshop menu. Carefully position this container so it completely covers the special book. The container should appear to absorb the book, making it disappear from view beneath it. Ensure a snug fit for the best results. With the container perfectly covering the book, enter your workshop mode once more. Hover your cursor over the container until both the container and the hidden book are highlighted simultaneously. Quickly press the store button for the container, followed immediately by the store button for the book. You might need to practice this timing a few times to get it just right. After performing the quick button presses, exit workshop mode and check the contents of your workshop inventory. You should now find 2 copies of the special book within your stored items. If you only see one, return to your settlement and repeat the process from step 1. With a little practice, you can easily boost your character's stats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.